to this Stray Kids Walking on Water high-intensity dance workout. If you want more Stray Kids, be sure to check out my Patreon link right up here. We have a lot of exclusive Stray Kids dance workouts, including newest edition, Giant and Following Up, and you'll access 100+ other K-pop exclusive dance workouts as soon as you become a patron. Really quickly, a big shout out to ANCHEER Elliptical for sponsoring this video. I recently got their Underdesk elliptical in this really cute blue color, and me and my parents love it. So here it is. It is a foot pedal exerciser that you can use fully seated. It has 3 auto workout modes and 5 adjustable speed settings, and it's fully controllable by remote control. It's great for the whole family and especially for seniors. You can get some good exercise in while seated, and it's very quiet, so it's easy to use while multitasking. It's also portable, so I've also been moving it for under-desk use while working. For more details on this ANCHEER Underdesk Elliptical, be sure to check it out, linked in the description down below, along with my discount code. Alright, let's get dancing!
Crashing waves but it never fall. Every day supernatural. Crashing rain, I'ma bring the storm. This my stage, walking on water. Whoa, walking on. Whoa, walking on. Whoa, walking on. This my stage, my stage. I'm walking on water. You can call me a reporter. I just take off folks, I'ma fill in my bottle. 내 focus은 물살처럼 흘러 내리막길에 접어들면 경사를 거슬러 아는 게 살 수 없는 것에 올랐지 노력을 타고났지 그게 all of me Dynamic 끊기지 않게 stop Make it flow, make it flow, make it go far Splash, better, feel the water crash Titter, we're just gonna dance Walk out, I'm walking I'ma flow on the water walking on When you're sinking and fishing, that's my flow walking on I'ma flow on the water Ride with on high 머리 사방에 튀기지 우리 움직임 따라 올린다 숨이 차 호황장하는 넌 이거 쉽게 받지 Fellas, say hello to me more cause I can't see you 유의견한 우리는 없어 보이지 but it's least 움직임이 튀기는 물이 사방에 splash 이겨서 너도 my control call me Aquaman I'm the wish, we just play We up here know how to sit out with so stay to the game We ain't gonna fall down deep into the water better, feel the water crash Chill, we're just gonna dance Walk out, I'm walking I'ma flow on the water walking on When you're sinking and fishing, that's my flow walk it up I'ma flow on the water
Crashing waves but I'll never fall Every day supernatural Thrashing rain, I'ma bring the storm This my stage, walking on water
Crashing waves but I'll never fall Every day supernatural Thrashing rain, I'ma bring the storm This my stage, walking on water Whoa, walking on Whoa, walking on Whoa, walking on
This my stage, walking on water This my stage, walking on water
Awesome job, guys! Workout complete. If you want more just like this, a lot more Stray Kids, and 100+ exclusive K-pop dance workouts, be sure to check out my Patreon link right up here. Out now, we have Stray Kids, Falling Up, and Giant. Alright, thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you all next time.